Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by preparing the device so the update can install cleanly. Connect to a stable Wi-Fi and plug the charger in. Updates can stall if power dies. Once done, sign into the main account and close high-load apps to free resources. Now open the system menu, go to Settings, and navigate to About Chrome OS. This step is the single path to update Chrome on a Chromebook. You will check for updates from the About screen and start the download there. You tap Check for Updates, and the device begins fetching the latest Chrome OS build. This is the only official update channel. While it downloads, make sure the Chromebook stays awake and connected. Close non-essential tabs and suspend heavy tasks. The progress indicator shows % complete and estimated time, so you can step away. Once the download finishes, the system will stage the update and prompt you to restart. Keep in mind, larger feature releases, you restart to let Chrome OS apply the update. This final reboot finalizes file replacements and kernel changes. After the reboot, go back to About Chrome OS and verify the new version number to confirm success. If the device still shows the old version or an error, make sure network and admin policies allow updates. One key troubleshooting tip: if updates repeatedly fail, create a recovery USB with the Chromebook recovery utility and reinstall Chrome OS. This resets the system, but preserves user data in many cases if synced.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.